Greetings to everyone. Today's topic is about hazard analysis critical control point, presented by Bijilakshmi R, second MSc Microbiology, Sacred Heart College, Tirupattur. Haccp is an traditionally industry and regulators have depended on spot checks of manufacturing conditions, random sampling of final products. It ensures a safe food. Its approach, however, tends to be reactive rather than preventive. Haccp, which stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point, is a prevention and based food safety system and which was developed nearly 30 years ago ensure safe foods for astronauts. It has now been adopted by the food industries to ensure production of safe foods. Haccp is a systematic approach to ensure food safety by examining every step in a food operation, identifying hazards and assessing their severity and risks and controlling these hazards. It examines every step in a food operation. It implements effective control and monitoring procedures. Benefits of Haccp. The system offers a rational approach to control of hazards in foods. It avoids the many weaknesses inherent in inspectional approach. Its implementation of focus attention on the factors that directly affect the safety of the product at all stages of the food chain. It increases confidence in food supply. It usually lead to increased market access and reduction in production cost, reduced or recall or wastage of food. Its application reduce risk of foodborne diseases. Explanation of terms. Hazard, a biological, chemical or physical agent in or condition of food with potential to cause an adverse health effect. One of the most serious hazards in food industry is botulism caused the toxin of the bacterium Clostridium botulinum, which can even cause death. Risk. Risks estimate the probability of hazard occurring. If the bacterium of Clostridium botulinum is unlikely to be present and conditions exceed the favor its growth, then there high risk of problem occurring. Severity. Not all hazards equally dangerous. Severity is the magnitude of the hazard or seriousness of possible consequences. Botulinum is a very serious hazard in the food industry because it frequently leads to death, while some other types of food poisoning, although unacceptable, can lead critical control points. Every possible hazard bearing in mind its risk occurrence has to be controlled. Control can be exercised at different points in the food chain. A critical control point is a step of food operation where control crucial to safety of the food. Monitoring. Appropriate method should be check that hazards has been controlled at critical control point. We need certain criteria that indicate whether or not other options is under control. Criteria can be defined as characteristics that must be specified to ensure the control of product safety. Examples. The monitoring must detect any deviation from the specified criteria. Any loss of control, CCP must be quickly detected so that immediate corrective action can take place to regain control at this point of prevent wastage of product. Verifications of Haccp. Procedures need to be established to verify that Haccp system is working. Verification is the use of supplementary information and tests ensure the Haccp system is functioning as planned. Verification procedures may include establishment of appropriate verification inspection schedules, review of the Haccp plan, review of CCP records, visual inspections of operation to observe of CCPs are under control, random sample collection and analysis. Hazard analysis for the informal sector. Haccp can apply to large food industries, example large cheese manufacturing plant as well as to the small scale food business, cottage cheese industries, and to domestic kitchen preparation of cheese sandwiches. Training all staff at all levels of important for the successful implementation of the HACCP system.